My dear technician, welcome back to my new video. I posted on my Facebook page that I will start iPhone videos very soon. So this is my very first iPhone repairing video. So first of all, I will start with the difference between iPhone and Android. Okay, so I will start with the software side before we enter the hardware side. My dear technician, my name is Father Joe, and if you have any question you want to ask me concerning this video or any other thing, you're free, let me know in the comment section. Okay, the first thing I want to show you guys the iPhone. So this is iPhone, you can check this out. So this is iPhone, you can see how it is. So this is iPhone. Right here is the iPhone screen, you can see how it look like. This is iPhone screen, and right here is Android. Okay, this is Android, this is iPhone. If you check very well, you will see the component, the board, how it is. Okay, this one is Android. First of all, like I said, I will start with software. So let me start with software. My dear technician, the two different phones are not using the same software. Okay, this one is the Android, so this phone runs Android operating system. The operating system is called the open source operating system. While this one here is the iPhone. The iPhone runs the iOS operating system. Okay, the iOS operating system is closed operating system. So this one is completely different from this one. This is open source. The Android is the open source, while the iPhone is the closed operating system. If you have questions, please let me know in the comment section right now. My dear technician, the next thing is performance. So I want to talk about the performance right now. Okay, this one is the Android. The Android performance is not bad, it's very good. A lot of people are using Android phone. So this one is the iPhone, this is the iOS. The performance of the iOS operating system is not bad, is good. Okay, but the chip in iPhone, if you check iPhone circuit board, you can see the chip here are very expensive. That is why iPhone is expensive than the Android. Okay, for the performance anyway, the two phones is still good, but iPhones wins. Okay, if you have question you want to ask me, you're free, let me know in the comment section. If you want to ask any question, let me know in the comment section. iPhone are expensive than the Android because of the chip. Okay, the chip in iPhones, the component, okay, on the iPhone board, they are very costly than the Android. Okay, if you have question, you're free, let me know in the comment section. My dear technician, the next thing is application ecosystem. Okay, so this is Android. The Android uses Play Store. Okay, Android use Play Store to download. So if you want to download application, you can use Play Store to download application for the Android. Now for the iPhone, for the iOS, you need App Store. So you need to go to App Store and download. So for the iOS is App Store, for the Android is Play Store. So if you have question, make sure you ask me in the comment section. This video is series by series, so I'm going to do part by part. So if you have question, feel free to ask me. My dear technician, the next thing is battery life. For the Android battery life is good than the iPhone. I will explain why. Now, iPhone battery life is not really good. A lot of people do complain about it, and let me share with you why iPhone battery life is not long. Okay, it's because of the component. Okay, if you check the board very well, you will see a lot of components. They are all compacted, and these components consume power. So that is why the battery life is not lasting. So the phone gets off after some hours. So iPhone battery life is not strong than the Android. The Android battery life is strong because the Android does not have a lot of components that consume battery. So if you want a phone that lasts battery for you, Android is good and iPhone is good, so go for the one you want. So for the battery life, Android good, then iPhone is still good, but Android wins. My technician, the next thing is price. Okay, for the Android, like I said before, that Android phone is not so costly than this one. This is iPhone is very costly than Android because of the components on iPhone. If you check components on iPhone, it's different from Android, so iPhone is costly than Android. So my technician, if you have any question, feel free ask me in the comment section. My technician, so that is all for the software part. Then for the hardware part, I'll give you guys more explanation. Please check the part 2 and watch. Okay, this is a long video, like this is a long series of video. My technician iPhone wall consists of a lot of explanation, so I have to take my time to explain one after the other so that even a novice, okay, can understand. If you have question, feel free, let me know in the comment section, and see you in my next video. Bye for now. I love you all.